Detectives made 3 arrests in the murder of Mya Fuller, but the case remains open. Now with the suspect set to appear in court in Wilson County, the lead detective is speaking out. He tells News Channel 5's Nick Barris there are likely more witnesses who need to come forward with what they saw the night the 22-year-old disappeared last summer.
This is the Island Vibes bar along Antioch Pike, and it is here that detectives believe the last place Mya Fuller was seen alive. And they're hoping someone who was here to see her and knows what happened will still come forward.
I certainly think there are people out there that have additional information that could even strengthen this case further, and I would encourage those people to come forward.
Wilson County Sheriff's homicide detective Walker Woods worked the Fuller case since the 22-year-old disappeared early on the morning of July 30th last year. Her body was found 6 days later, dumped in a wooded field off of Trammell Lane in rural Wilson County. It took nearly a year of chasing leads and collecting evidence to catch the suspected killers.
It's the largest case file that I've ever handled. You asked for just a reference. It's several large binders. It's multiple terabytes of digital data. So there's quite a bit of what we would call discovery.
3 people are charged: 21-year-old Tiana Tipton and her brother, 20-year-old Tashawn Bowles, and 20-year-old Lamira Pipkins, all of them from Nashville. Indications are that tracing security video helped link the 3 to Mya.
Observing the victims' movements and the timeline of their movements is a key to placing people in the area and those that would have had opportunity to commit the crime.
But how and why it all started remains very much a mystery. Detectives had not said how Mya was killed or if she was robbed, but they believe someone out there can help.
We know for certain that she was at the Island Vibes bar that night. There was a large crowd there that night, so there were certainly people there that would observe some of the goings-on and the events that took place that night.
Detectives believe it is possible that Mya actually met her killers here at this location, and she did not know them before that evening. In Antioch, Nick Barris, News Channel 5.
The 3 suspects will be in court tomorrow for a status hearing. They all remain locked up and held without bond. The district attorney has not decided yet if he will seek the death penalty.